Favorite part about owning this bakery is when someone's daughter or son bites into one of our turtle brownies or a chocolate chunk cookie for the first time, or a couple are enjoying our patio, drinking some coffee, and they're enjoying one of our nice cinnamon scones with their coffee. My name is Mike Robleski, and I am one of the owners of the family-owned business Fiddleheads Artisan Bakery. Well, to rewind 20-some years ago is when we first started it in 1996 as a coffee cafe, and since that time we've grown to 5 locations and roasting our own coffee, providing lunch items, bakery items, things like that. And when we first started, my sister Lynn did all of our baking for our one cafe, and fortunately, thankfully, we quickly grew where she was becoming a full-time baker, and she wanted to run a coffee house. So we outsourced that part of it. But over the years, we always wanted to get back to baking our own products because we knew the effect that had on our customers. So in 2011, we started Fiddleheads Artisan Bakery when we could get back into baking. Like a lot of bakeries, food establishments have a handful of vendors, and over the first few years we gravitated towards Valley Bakers because we felt that their MO aligned with ours. They felt as if they were a family-owned business like ours. The service we get really is flexible to our changing needs, whether that's short-term versus long-term, day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month. They've been very, very good with being a chameleon, so to speak, as we have a short notice need or partnering with them for helping us reach longer term goals. The award we just won, we were very honored and excited to receive it, was the New Member Business of the Year Award for 2016. So that was, speaks to the talents of the staff here, that the product they put out people want, and in turn has really promoted a high degree of growth in our bakery, and through that time Valley Bakers has grown along with us.